Hello students, we are doing practice of sample paper. This is number 2. Here also we will do section A and section B of the paper. Let us see how to write point-wise answers. Start with section A. Answer sheet पर section A लिखिए सबसे पहले and then start writing the answer of question number 1. See the question number 1. Write the scientific name of the plant on which Tyler et al. Performed their experiment to prove the semi-conservative replication of DNA in chromosome. Plant का नाम है Vicia faba or you can say faba beans. So, Tyler et al. Performed their experiment on Vicia faba to prove the semi-conservative replication of DNA in chromosomes. Question number 2. Given below is a section of a maize. You can see the diagram. It is a section of a maize seed. Identify A and state its function. A represent the endosperm. इसका role क्या है? It stores food material which is used by the embryo during seed germination. Question number 3. State what happens when an align gene is ligated at cell 1 site of PBR 322 plasmid. When align gene को cell 1 site पर ligate किया जाता है, then the transformant lose the tetracycline resistant, means it is now no more resistant to tetracycline. Question 4. How do pollen of Vallisneria protect themselves from wetting? By mucilaginous covering. By this covering, pollen of Vallisneria protect themselves from wetting. Question number 5. Name the enzyme whose deficiency causes phenylketonuria. The name of the enzyme is phenylalanine hydroxylase. The deficiency of this enzyme causes phenylketonuria. Question number 6. List any 2 physiological responses that help you to get gradually acclimatized to high altitudes when you go from plains. The changes which takes place in our body when we go at high altitudes are: number 1, there is increase in the production of red blood cells. Number 2, increasing breathing rate. Because of these changes, we can get gradually acclimatized to high altitudes when we go from plains. Question number 7. Suggest any 2 possible treatments that can be given to a patient exhibiting adenosine deaminase deficiency. कौन से 2 ट्रीटमेंट दिए जाते हैं to the patient who is having adenosine deaminase deficiency? The name of the 2 treatments are: number 1, gene therapy, number 2, enzyme replacement therapy. Question 8. How many meiotic divisions are required to produce 76 seeds in guava fruit? Answer is 95 meiotic divisions. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे इसको? 76 pollen grains के लिए हमें 19 meiotic division चाहिए and 76 egg cell के लिए हमें 76 meiotic division चाहिए. So total meiotic divisions required are 95. 19 plus 76 is equal to 95. Clear? Question number 9. Name the type of biodiversity represented by 50,000 different strains of rice in India. Type of biodiversity represented by 50,000 different strains of rice in India is genetic diversity. Question number 10. State the principle on which ELISA work. ELISA is based on principle of antigen-antibody interaction. Full form क्या है ELISA का? Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. और ये टेस्ट यूज किया जाता है to diagnose AIDS. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. assertion रीजन टाइप क्वेश्चन है. सबसे पहले assertion स्टेटमेंट देखिए. एडिशन और डिलीशन ऑफ अ बेस फ्रॉम अ जीन प्रोड्यूसेस एंटायरली अ न्यू पॉलीपेप्टाइड. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है ये. अगर कोई बेस ऐड या डिलीट हो जाता है फ्रॉम द जीन तो न्यू पॉलीपेप्टाइड बनता है. नाउ सी द रीजन. Substitution mutation replaces a single amino acid in a polypeptide. एक एमिनो एसिड को दूसरा एमिनो एसिड रिप्लेस कर देता है इन सब्स्टिट्यूशन म्यूटेशन। यह भी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है, बट इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द असर्शन। न्यू पॉलीपेप्टाइड कैसे बनता है यह नहीं बताया गया है यहाँ पर। सो assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion, so answer is B. Question 12. Assertion statement देखिए, oral pills are very effective contraceptives with lesser side effects. Correct statement है ये. Now see the reason. These pills inhibit ovulation and implantation. This is the correct statement and also the correct explanation for the assertion. Pills inhibit ovulation and implantation. That is why they are very effective contraceptives. So answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation for assertion. Question number 13. Assertion statement. In human testes, the regions outside the seminiferestibules are called interstitial spaces where Leydig cells are present. Correct statement है ये. Now see the reason. Leydig cells synthesize and secrete the hormone testosterone. This is also the correct statement, but not the correct explanation for the assertion. यहाँ Leydig cells के function की बात हो रही है, while in assertion interstitial spaces के बारे में बात की जा रही है, which is present between the seminiferestibule. So answer is B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation for the assertion. Question number 14. Assertion statement. An aligned piece of DNA inserted into a host or organism generally does not replicate if not inserted into a chromosome. Correct statement है ये. Now see the reason. DNA replication is initiated in a specific DNA sequences called ori or origin of replication on the chromosome. This is also the correct statement and correct explanation for the assertion. DNA को replicate होने के लिए origin of replication की ज़रूरत है जो क्रोमोसोम पर located होता है. So answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. क्वेश्चन 15. यह केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. 5 क्वेश्चंस में से 4 क्वेश्चंस आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. दिस क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी. डायग्राम देखिए. पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी n को इफेक्ट करने वाले फैक्टर्स हैं इमिग्रेशन I, नेटेलिटी B, एमिग्रेशन E एंड मोर्टेलिटी D. इमिग्रेशन एंड नेटेलिटी पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी को इंक्रीज करते हैं, वाइल एमिग्रेशन एंड मोर्टेलिटी population density को decrease करते हैं. Now see the first part of the question. The population in a given habitat will increase when immigration I and natality B increase more than emigration E plus mortality D. So correct choice is A, mark A. Second part of the question. If a new habitat is being colonized out of 4 processes affecting population growth, which one contributes the most? It is immigration. So mark A. Part 3. The population in a metro city will tend to decrease when emigration E and mortality D increase more than immigration I plus natality B. So answer is B, mark B. Fourth part of the question. Other than exactly counting the organisms, population density can be estimated in terms of A. Percent cover in large trees with an expanded canopy, B. Biomass in large plants, C. Number caught per trap for fishes. All the 3 methods are used to estimate population density. So answer is D, all of these. Fifth part of the question. Tiger census in national parks and tiger reserves in India is carried out by counting the fecal pellets and by counting the pug marks. Both are used. So answer is D, both B and C. Mark D. Write the answer as mentioned in the side. क्वेश्चन 16, यह भी केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। 4 क्वेश्चंस आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। इस क्वेश्चन में ग्राफ शो किया गया है। दिस ग्राफ इज शोइंग द लेवल्स ऑफ पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन। These hormones affect the different phases of menstrual cycle. Now see the first part of the question. The two hormones X and Y are respectively, X is luteinizing hormone and Y is follicle stimulating hormone. So answer is C, LH and FSH. Second part of the question, the peak level of LH is responsible for rupturing of Graafian follicle. So answer is A, mark A. Third part of the question, the function of Y is to stimulate. Y is follicle stimulating hormone. It stimulates the development of primary follicle into a mature Graafian follicle. So answer is A, mark A. Fourth part of the question, the function of X means luteinizing hormone after ovulation is formation of corpus luteum from the ruptured Graafian follicle. Answer is B, mark B. Fifth part of the question, the similarity between LH and FSH is that A, they are secreted by anterior pituitary, B, their secretion is under the influence of gonadotropin releasing hormone from hypothalamus. Both these features are same in LH and FSH. So answer is C. Both A and B. So mark C. Write the answer as mentioned on the side. Now come to section B. Question number 17. A part of question देखिए. Label the 3 tiers 1, 2 and 3 given in age pyramid. Tier 1 shows number of organisms of pre-reproductive age. Tier 2 number of organisms of reproductive age, and Tier 3 shows number of organisms of post-reproductive age. B part of the question, what type of population growth is represented in the given age pyramid? This age pyramid is representing an expanding population. Come to question number 18. Describe the function of anaerobic sludge digester in a sewage treatment plant. Point number 1 लिखिए. The bacteria and fungus जो flocks में present होते हैं, they are digested by anaerobic bacteria present in the anaerobic sludge digester. Point number 2. During digestion, mixture of gases like methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide is produced. These gases form the biogas. So write the answer in points as shown here. Come to question number 19. With the help of Punnett square, find percentage of heterozygous individuals in the F2 generation of a cross involving true breeding pea plant between green pods and yellow pods. सबसे पहले जीनोटाइप लिखिए पेरेंट्स का. ग्रीन पॉट्स कैपिटल जी एंड येलो पॉट्स स्मॉल जी. नाउ राइट द गेमीट्स फॉर्म. ग्रीन पॉट्स विल फॉर्म कैपिटल G type of gamete and yellow pods will form small g type of gametes. Now make the cross. First generation will be all green pods with capital G small g. इनको सेल्फ क्रॉस कीजिए. F2 जनरेशन के लिए प्यूनेट स्क्वायर बनाइए जैसे शो किया गया है एंड देन कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज ऑफ हेट्रोजाइगस इंडिविजुअल्स. आउट ऑफ 4, 2 are heterozygous with capital G small g. So percentage of heterozygous progeny is 50%. Question number 20. List the 4 causes of biodiversity loss. Number 1, habitat loss and fragmentation. Number 2, over-exploitation of species by man. Number 3, invasion of alien species. And number 4, co-extinction of related plants and animals. Question 21. Identify A, B, C, D in table. Column 1 देखिए. First plant Papaver somniferum. Drug produced A. Heroin. Its effects, it is a depressant or slow body functions. Second plant, cannabis sativa. Drug produced, cannabinoids. Its effects, B. It affects cardiovascular system. Third plant, erythroxylon coca. Drug produced, C. Cocaine. Its effects, D. It stimulates central nervous system. So right answer A, B, C, D as shown. Question number 22. Name the organism that is a source of thermostable DNA polymerase. It is Thermus aquaticus. Second part of the question. Mention its role in genetic engineering. It is a thermostable enzyme. It can withstand high temperature and it is used in denaturation and separation of two DNA strands during polymerase chain reaction. Question 23. Write differences between eurythermal and stenothermal animals. Column बनाइए and write differences in the column. First difference, eurythermal animals can tolerate wide range of temperature, while stenothermal animals can tolerate only narrow range of temperature. Second difference, eurythermal animals show wide geographical distribution, while stenothermal animals are restricted in their geographical distribution. Example of eurythermals, human beings, while example of stenothermals, polar bear and seal. Question number 24. Draw label diagram of an antibody molecule. Draw diagram with pencil as shown and label antigen binding site, light chains and heavy chains, and also write H2L2. H2 means two heavy chains, L2 means two light chains are present in an antibody molecule. Question number 25. Match the column 1 and 2. A of column 1, lactational amenorrhea, matches with 3, suppression of gonadotropins. B. ICSI, intracellular cytoplasmic sperm injection, matches with 1, directly injecting a sperm into ovum. C. Tubectomy, matches with 4, blocking the transport of sperm. D. IUD, intrauterine device, matches with 5, multi-load 375. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.